Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you found this video, I am glad your energy found this space. For today's reading, I had this strong urge to do this type of reading where it is not just a tarot reading, it is also an angel reading. I will be using my angel oracle, and the topic goes like, think of one clear cut yes or no question and let's see what angel says. So if you get a yes answer, I will then take a help of tarot to read it further, like why this answer is coming, what is influencing this situation, advice on how to move forward, and what needs to happen in order for this yes or no to come. So for this, I have three piles for y'all to choose from. Timestamps are given in the description for you to choose your pile from. One request, as and when you resonate, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It will motivate me a lot. Let's begin. Hi guys, if you chose pile 1, then this is your reading. One thing I want you to do, think of a clear yes or no question. Your question should not be vague. Like, will this ever happen? Think of a situation right now you are going through for which you want a yes or no. And as I shuffle, think of that question. And it should have a clear cut yes or no answer. Very practical question it should be, right? For pile 1, the situation they're thinking for, is it a yes or a no? Angels, please guide. Yes or a no for pile 1. It's a no, but it's not a definite no. This is something which is workable, and now I will take the help of tarot to see further. Let's just see from tarot why this answer is coming through. We got a no for pile 1. Why this answer is coming through? Why this answer is coming through for pile 1? Okay. What's influencing the situation for pile 1 for this no? What's influencing the situation? What's influencing the situation? And advice on how to move forward. Advice on how to move forward. Tough pile we have. What needs to happen next? What needs to happen next? Okay. I'll be honest here. I will not sugarcoat why this answer is coming through. See, right now there are a lot of ego. There is a lot of ego coming in this situation. Things are not in your favor, and you need to have a lot of control on your I, me, myself. Clear cut, I'm sensing this. Why this answer is coming? I am not saying you are wrong here, but what I'm trying to say and what the card is pointing out towards here is maybe I'm saying you are lacking patience, or if situation is not going as per you, you're not having that maturity to handle. What's influencing the situation? Because patience is not there. The situation influencing is you chose to just take a step back from this situation which you are thinking about. You just chose to withdraw. Don't do that. Don't do that. You chose to withdraw this, and it is creating a lot of problem. I am sensing this, silent treatment which you are giving. If things did not work out for this no answer which came, you just withdrew. You just went into your isolation. And advice on how to move forward. See, it has come to a brutal end. Accept it. accept it for now. And what needs to happen next, a lot related to emotions. Just because something did not work out does not mean you close off yourself emotionally fully. See a different perspective, start slowly, be creative again, sensing this very strongly. Again, have a small start. Again, have a small start. That was your reading, pile 1. If it resonates, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It will motivate me a lot. You chose pile 2. This is your reading. I want you to think of a very clear cut yes or no question as I shuffle so that you connect to the energies. I'm shuffling. Think of a very clear cut question. I want you to think of a very clear cut yes or no question, and it should be a very sensible question. It shouldn't be like, will this ever happen? Think of a situation right now you are going through, and if you're looking for a yes or no question, let's see what angel has to say. As I shuffle, think of that question. Angels for pile 2, what is it? Yes or a no? Guide pile 2, yes or no? It's a yes. It's a yes. I will now take assistance of tarot. What's influencing the situation? It's a yes card for pile 2. What's influencing the situation? Again, just like pile 1. In this, it's different compared to pile 1. You are having a lot of patience. You have had to let go a lot of like, I, me, myself sort of a thing. You have a lot of patience, pile 1, and that is influencing this yes. The reason you got yes is this. You have had a lot of courage to have the patience. It's not easy. Advice on how, no, I'll take, okay, let's take advice on how to move forward. Advice on how to move forward. Have little different options in your mind. Have different ideas, I would say. Don't just stick to one thing. Have a different perspective. See multiple options, multiple ideas. If this is other than relationship, okay, I would not say think it, no, have 10 different people. Take other people's opinion. See from your situation from the angle of, let's say, 2-3 more people. That will be helpful to you. That will help you give a different perspective and avoid a lot of confusion. That is also, I think, which is coming, I'd say. What's need to happen next? What needs to happen next? What needs to happen next? Families support, and I would say you need to have that satisfaction in you. Whatever you have achieved till now, have satisfaction. Be with people who have supported you emotionally as you were growing. This needs to happen next. I am also sensing you need to have family like people around or family around for this. If you are emotionally stable, you can build a strongest of foundation. If you have your foundation good, you can build the biggest of skyscrapers also. This needs to happen. I would say, let me see, is this happening in the next 2 months? Is this happening in the next 2 months? The yes or no question which you got a yes card. Let's see the energies of next 2 months for this. Yes, it happens in the next 2 months. And this was your reading, pile 2. If this resonated or you felt connected in any which ways, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It will motivate me a lot. I will see you next time with a new reading. Bye. Hi guys, if you chose pile 3, then this is your reading. As I shuffle my angel oracle, I want you to think of your question as I shuffle so we connect to this reading. Your question should have a very clear-cut answer, either yes or a no. So your framing of question is very important, and it should be a mature question. It shouldn't be like, will this ever happen? No. Think of a yes or no question for a situation currently you're going through and you're looking for an answer. That will be much better. As I shuffle, think of your question. For pile 3, angels, please guide. Is it a yes or a no? For pile 3, is it yes or a no? It's a yes card, if you can see. I will now take further assistance of tarot. What's like why this answer is coming? We got yes, which is a good thing. Why this answer is coming? Because you are learning about this situation, whatever your situation is. You do not have full information, or you're not an expert here yet. So you are learning. You're ready to collaborate. You are ready to work with other people who are better than you, or they can help you in your situation. What's influencing the situation? What's influencing the situation? Confidence, your never give up attitude, and your attitude that you will do it. Even if you don't know how to do this, you will do it. Either you take help of a people or you learn all by yourself, you will do it. Your courage, your confidence is influencing the situation. Advice on how to move forward. Advice on how to move forward. You will face difficulties. I'm telling you, pile 3, you will face difficulties. But you have an upper hand, that your confidence will not let you give up. And the advice is, if you face challenges, stand your ground, fight, work for it. But do not give up. Don't let the opposition or competition or challenge or anything for that matter stop you. You have an upper hand. In the sense, there is some advantage which you have. Maybe I would say your confidence. Your confidence is your advantage. Others might not have that much of confidence the way you do. Stand your ground. What needs to happen next? What needs to happen next? You need to, I would say, do research about this thing. You need to learn. You need to use a lot of your brain also. Good that you have confidence, but if you use your brain, that will be the best thing. Here I'm sensing, be more curious for your work about the topic which you are working for, or the situation it is. Be more analytical. Confidence and this analytical mind and your research oriented ability will do wonders in your situation. And that is your reading, pile 3. One bonus I will give. Let's see whether the situation, many cards are falling, I'll not read. Whether this situation fulfills in the next 2 months, energies of next 2 months from whenever you watch this. Yes, in the next 2 months, this situation, this thing will finally have a fruitful completion. And that was your reading, pile 3. If you resonated, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It will motivate me a lot. I will see you next time with a new reading. Bye.